Hey, little explorers! Ever wondered how bees make delicious honey? Let's break it down in just 1 minute. It all starts with worker bees collecting nectar from flowers. They store it in their special honey stomach. Once full, they return to the hive and pass the nectar to house bees through a mouth-to-mouth process called trophallaxis. House bees add enzymes to break down the nectar into simple sugars, making it easier to store. Then, they fan their wings to evaporate excess water, thickening the nectar into honey. Once ready, they seal the honeycomb with beeswax, keeping the honey fresh for later use. And that's how bees make honey, nature's sweetest gift. Want to learn more fun facts? Like, share, and follow our channel Enza Facts for more amazing facts. See you next time!